European Water Charter. The European Water Charter emerged with the aim of solving the major problems associated with water that affect humanity, which result in an increase in populations and, consequently, in greater use and need for water and in the contamination of water resources. On May 6, 1968, in Strasbourg, the Council of Europe proclaimed the European Water Charter. This aims to minimize or eliminate the problems associated with its use, since water plays a fundamental role in the survival of almost all species. There is no life without water. Water is a precious commodity indispensable to all human activities. Water resources are not inexhaustible. It is necessary to preserve, control, and, if possible, increase them. Changing the quality of water is damaging the life of man and other living beings that depend on it. Water quality must be maintained at levels adapted to the uses and, in particular, meet the requirements of public health. When water, after being used, returns to the natural environment, it should not compromise the uses that will be made later. The maintenance of an appropriate vegetation cover, preferably forest, is essential for the conservation of water resources. Water resources must be the subject of an inventory. Efficient water management must be the subject of plans defined by the competent authorities. The safeguarding of water requires a great deal of scientific research, technical training of specialists, and public information. Water is a common heritage whose value must be recognized by all. Each has a duty to save it and to use it with care. The management of water resources must fall within the scope of the natural hydrographic basin and not within the administrative and political boundaries. Water has no borders. It is a common good that requires international cooperation.